Come on, boy.
I'm moving to Bulan Kom. I want to sabe ka wena.
I need to you.
Why are you standing up? Why are you standing up?
My name is Greg Maluka. I'm the Managing Director of Nka-Thuto. Very excited to be here today with a lot of our partners, including Siyafunda. To have you guys here is very exciting for us. Largely because all of these programs mean nothing if there isn't any sustainability, if we can't carry that forth. And this is what you bring.
Sifisa nje ukwazi ukuthi kubaleka kangakanani wena ukuthi ube ne-library nokubaleka kokufunda la esikoleni kubantwana especially primary level.
Sibonga kakhulu. Incwadi ibaleke kakhulu. Ngoba kunocwaningo lathathwa ngonyaka 2017. Bathola ukuthi ingane eziningi azikwazi ukufunda uma ifunda ziyakwazi ukufunda khona amagama kodwa ayiqondi
ukuthi kusokuthiwa
nogqozi lokufunda sekho nesasasa lisekho kodwa masina lokhu i-library le ekhaya iyenza ukuthi ube nogqozi nesasasa kuyobuya ingane zikwazi ukuthi awu cha sesinalo manje i-library eduze.
My name is Lebohang Masamo, and I'm an anthropologist, a poet, a UNICEF advocate, and most importantly, a children's book writer. So I really love words, and I really love what words do to us as human beings. Words change our lives, words build our societies, and words make us better people and make our communities better.
We couldn't have done it without you guys. You guys really became our legs and hands and mouth out there, and we truly really do appreciate it for bringing all your connections. I mean, we didn't even have all these drop-off points. We only had Nka-FM as a drop-off point, but through you guys and your connections, you went out there, spoke to everyone you know, encouraged, and brought so many books. Yes, there's so many books. So we very happy. Lift in the motor, in the van. It was just a bit, it was overwhelming. So we did win because we did get 670 books. Yes. It's just that we got more, maybe even